In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to DocuSign a PDF and add your signature quickly and efficiently. Whether you're handling important business documents or personal agreements, knowing how to sign a PDF electronically can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is a leader in electronic signature technology, making it one of the most trusted platforms for handling digital documents. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner for the Login button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but today we're assuming you already have your account ready to go. After logging in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on adding a signature to a PDF file. Find and click on the option that says Agreements. This area is where you manage all your document transactions. On this page, click Start Now to initiate a new document signing process. This action takes you to the Upload interface, where you can bring in your PDF document. Click on Upload and select the file from your desktop or device. Make sure your PDF is ready and easy to access to avoid any delays. Once your PDF is uploaded successfully, the next step is to add all necessary details. This may include entering the names of the signers, their email addresses, and any other required information. Take your time here. Accuracy is important, as mistakes can slow down the signing process. With your details added, click on the Next button to proceed to the signing interface. This is where you'll add your signature. In the toolbar, look for the signature icon. Click on it and place your signature exactly where you want it on the PDF. You can either use a saved signature or draw a new one if you prefer. Once positioned, review everything carefully to make sure the placement is correct and all information is accurate. And that's it. You've successfully added your signature to a PDF using DocuSign. Remember to double-check everything before finalizing to ensure the document is exactly as you intended. You're now ready to send or save your signed document as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy signing!